In this video, I will explain you what is electrostatic shielding. So as per electrostatic shielding, electric field inside a metallic cage or a metallic cavity is equal to 0. So let's say we have made a cage with a metal. So it have to be a conductor basically, need not to be metal. So generally metals are conductors, right? So that's the reason I have mentioned it as metal. So inside a conductor, the electric field will be 0. That is electrostatic shielding. Say for example, we are inside a car and the car body is made up of metal. Now whenever there is lightning, we won't be affected by the lightning because inside the metallic cage, that is here in this case car, electric field will always be 0. And what is the reason for it? So we are keeping the cage in an external electric field. So it is positive here and negative here. So electric field lines will be from positive to negative. So this is the direction of electric field, from positive to negative. Okay. Now when we are keeping positive charge here, see, the free charges of this metallic conductor will be attracted here, right? Free electrons, because these electrons will get a force in a direction opposite to electric field. So this is electric field. In opposite to the direction, the electrons will be drifted. And positive charges will be pushed downward. So which means just keep a positive here, that will be pushed downward and that will be pulled by electron downward. So both combined effect, positive charges will come here. Once again I'll repeat, along the direction of electric field line, positive charges will be pushed and negative charge will be pulled opposite to the direction of electric field. Or you can say that this positive charges will push all the positive charges downward, and at the same time negative charges will also try to attract it. So this positive will be at one extreme and negative charges will be pulled by positive charges in this direction and also will be pushed by negative on this place, and that will be electron will now be residing on the top surface as per my diagram. Now when electrons and positive charges are kept here, there will be an electric field inside, that is from positive. See, inside it will create a electric field. And what is the direction of electric field here? See, it is just opposite to the direction of external electric field. See, external electric field is downward and internal electric field is upward. Now till when this will happen and what will be the net electric field inside? See, I have clearly mentioned in the beginning that it is conductor. So conductor will basically allow charges to move. That is the reason electron have came here, right? Now it will push more number of electrons or more number of negative charges to the top, and at the same time positive charge down, in such a way that at some position this internal electric field, who create the internal electric field, that is this negative charges and this positive charges. So this internal electric field will be balanced with external electric field. So this process of drifting the charges or movement of the charges will happen till the internal electric field created becomes equal to the external electric field. Now if that is the case, then inside, see, this electric field is equal to this, so they will cancel. Why? Opposite direction. This will also cancel, this will also cancel, this will also cancel. So inside the electric field becomes 0. So how the field lines will now pass? The field lines will pass in this way. See, field line cannot pass through the cavity inside, and this is the reason for it. So always electric field inside will be 0. But this will happen only with conductor, because conductor will only allow electrons to move and polarize in this way. If it is insulator, then the internal and external electric field will not be cancelled. There will be certain internal electric field developed due to the polarization, that is just orientation of the dipole, but anyway this will not be cancelled. That internal electric field will not be cancelled with external electric field to make net electric field inside 0. But in the case of conductor, the whole process drifting of electron will happen till the internal electric field become external, so that internally the total electric field becomes 0. This becomes 0. This will also be the case not only with cavity like this, even with conductor. See, when we are giving charges, that these charges will always be on the surface. So inside there won't be any charges. It will always reside on the surface. Now, whenever current is passing through a conductor, these electrons are moving through the surface. Inside, we don't have electrons. Why? What is the reason? Let's say if 2 electrons comes inside, this will be repelled and this electron will be pushed outside. So all the movement of charges is happening through the surface of the conductor, and inside electric field will always be 0 with conductor. Okay, thank you.